stream.
Okay, shall I ping, plong, bing, bong?
Yeah, you can ding dong, ching along. Oh yeah, I can also stream on share your screen. Bam. Okay, wow, usually it's not that fast. Let's see, I'm gonna go and start the fighter.
Yo, I ping.
Long.
Should I respond with a pong?
Yes.
Okay. Bro, bash isn't working. What's that?
You gotta bash your head against it to make it work.
Oh, I see.
That's usually no. You
No, you don't see. No, yeah, no, you bash. You not see.
Yeah, that's right. Get your programming language straight.
Yeah, don't be gay about it. You gotta be straight
Oh,
about it.
it doesn't work. What is this fucking shit? Wait, man. Tail. Yeah, nah. Bro, are you serious right now?
Sometimes I'm serious.
Tail.
But yeah. Let's switch to this thing, and I think my OBS has frozen. That's fantastic. Oh wait, that's why. Shit. Okay. Boom. Okay. So I don't know. I would like to just go and make a Minecraft clone in Vulkan with Zig. That's like actually like kind of my dream right now, kind of.
Your dream. Damn, that's sad.
Yeah. And then in VR. No, I'm not going back there.
Oh, hell no, bro. Then it would be a nightmare.
That's already what you did, bro. What?
What? No. What I did
Oh,
was
wait,
some
no.
weird ass labyrinths game in VR.
Oh, you mean okay? I see. So you're gonna make what Omi makes.
Yeah. Oh, but I
Hey,
wanna get.
just steal his project.
Oh, that's great. No, but I think what I really want to do is I want to utilize SpacetimeDB, and I would love if they could just make a SIG binding or a C, because a C binding I could still use, right? So are
I mean,
making
You
a
can
C.
make.
It's not hard to
Just
make a
SIG
zip
binding.
binding.
Is it not?
Well, it actually is though. The issue is that Rust, as you may know, is a piece of shit. I mean, a fabulous language with plenty of beautiful features.
Harold. You know you don't have to
Yeah,
lie
okay, fine.
on my Discord
No,
server.
Rust is a garbage language. It has way too many types. It has way too much shit, and it's just useless garbage. And none of it can be exported to FFI. So kill me. Rust is garbage. Please stop using it. If you're gonna make a library for it, go through the hell of making a C binding yourself, because everyone will hate you for it. And also, please, web GPU native, listen to us. Stop using Rust, please.
Wait,
Mozilla, stop it.
SpacetimeDB C binding is defined with the binding syscred, which provides a raw set of system calls that modules written in Rust can use to interact with. Wait, what the fuck is this? This is not. Is this? They must have a C binding. Please tell me they have a C binding, because if they have that, we can use that, right? Can we? No, that's a C sharp. This is stupid. Are they in the plans of making a C binding? Is there somebody who has made the implements the database runtime the C sharp uses written in Rust, bruh. Binding compiled to wasm failed. Well, actually, I have. I don't know. I'm just gonna go grok. Help me out here. Do they have a X account as well? Wow, it's loading until tomorrow. SpacetimeDB making a C binding. And while that is loading, Where can I search? Here. I don't know how to use this. SpacetimeDB. Is this the official one? Maybe. It's finally here. Officially supports Unreal Engine. But then they must have some sort of C++ or am I? You can use your Unreal Engine SDK with either C# or Rust. Bruh. No. I don't want. I want it in C. No. Nothing in C.
You see that there is no C to see. But to see the C, you will have to see the C for the Rust to see how
I
C
think
can
Rust
interact with
C.
the C, which will make you be able to see the full possibility
Can I
of
get some more
C
tea?
as an
Oh,
intermediate
hello,
language.
Tuan Huang Pam. I can't say your name. I hope I've said it
Oh,
somewhat
that's a
correctly.
beautiful
I don't
name.
know what you going on, but I guess it's time to learn Rust. No. Beer, real quick. We're not gonna leave
Tell
a
Doxaki silky leave.
beer.
Bro, please. Nah. Bro,
I mean,
this guy can't be serious.
is it that bad to write a server in Rust?
It is.
Valid argument. I don't know what to say. There's no definitive public
bro, I
information
don't
from Space or Clockwork Labs indicating concerned plan to develop a C binding for space, and the existing documentation are probably binding for blah blah blah. And an early
Lucas, my
stage.
argument is, like Rust isn't bad to learn, but I think
It's garbage to learn.
now you should focus on Zig right now. If you start learning Rust now, like I think you should get a little bit better in Zig still, and after that maybe you can like start learning Rust. You know?
Hey! I'm an independent man. I know what to do. How do I?
Alright, how can I answer this question?
How can I make a good comeback against T-Chef?
Yeah.
A great comeback against someone like T-Chef, presumably with witty, outspoken personality, possibly on a platform like TikTok, even the TT prefix.
Bro,
Stay calm. Stay calm and confident. That's me.
Sounds bad.
Use their words against them. T-Chef, I think you should focus more on Sig before you tell me what to do. Keep it concise and witty. Short, sharp responses are more memorable. Okay, that was pretty short and concise, I would say. Match the tone. I think I've matched your tone. Incorporate food themes. and get better at your egg cooking, bro. Your eggs, they are a bit...
Oh, my eggs are fire.
But okay, that's kind of sad that there's no plan for it. And well, the only option is basically learning more Rust. That's basically the only option I have, but I would ideally like to do it in Sig, you know? Today I tried to over-engineer with C++ inheritance. I'm in pain. Yes. Inheritance bad. I mean, inheritance is good as long as you only have like one layer. I think it's still alright. But as soon as you have multiple ones, then it starts to just get like crazy. Inheritance is bad. Data oriented. That's the way to go. I'm telling you. And then I'm writing a fucking front React.
Yeah, trust me.
Trust me, bro. Fucking hypocrite. But anyways, we can actually right now, if we put all of these like so. I still would like to get a base game going, just to see that I can get this, and then I might go and make an actual client thing with the Skadoosh. I'm gonna make a Minecraft clone, and then I could sell like the client, you know? Did I just say sell? I would make so people can download the client, that's what I wanted to say. And I will develop the server, so, well, yeah, obviously you just connect. And I guess the server will have, the game logic and the server will have to be written in, what the fuck? Rust, as in here, so I would have to learn a bit of more of Rust, and
So don't get rusty.
yeah, but I will still
It's gonna get
develop the
rusty.
client using Zig and Vulkan.
Python!
No, shut the fuck.
Python!
But the thing is, how do I...
Oh, wait, yo.
What?
What?
No, it would be quite simple actually. Think about it. I could still like do the game library like we have done before. Like, I'd let it be a library, and then I just have the main platform which calls. Somehow needs to fuck. Oh no. Well, no, because Rust can. I still have to write the platform in Rust because they don't have any bindings to any other language there. But I can still make the game library because Rust can still call C functions, right? I would assume Rust is that advanced. Or kind, at least. So I can at least make the C, like, function calls through Zig. Make the client and the platform, the server in Rust, but have the game written in Zig. And I think that still would be fine. And that I think that would be pretty damn cool. I need a server. That's the
A
first
Minecraft
step.
server.
You know, of all of the things I said, I need a server. That's step one. But I think that would be pretty cool. Like, imagine this, okay? This will be this. I should actually be writing the Docker thing, but fuck it. I want to plan this now because this has been. I was trying to do physics this whole day. I did do it, but I was thinking about this the whole day, literally.
Physics? Did someone name physics?
Yeah. So we'll have the
No,
server.
not physics. Physics.
This stands for server. I just realized I can spell server.
Sweden! Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know much about React and it thinks, but I trust you. Yes, you need a server written in one of the hardest languages. Well, so we're gonna have a server, and then there will be clients. Let's take 2 clients, right? Like so, and this is a client. That is a client. Each client contains a platform, right? And then they contain the game. Why don't just game? I don't know, should I even make the renderer a module? I was thinking about it for a while, because then you could literally, like, you could take the game, but the game wouldn't really be, the game would be on the server, so literally all you would need is a renderer. Yeah, actually, forget about it. Well, you need a game state on the client. Oh, and then I guess you need some effects to take place, so the game could still like manage some aspects which is just client dependent. I don't know much about that yet, but let's just say game state for now. I don't know really much else what you would need. And then you would have a renderer. That would be the larger part. And that would be kind of funny because you could literally like, you could make, oh my god, you could make different kind of renders like for the game. You could have one playing a 3-dimensional game and another would having a render that renders 2D. Just for the fuck, like why not? It's just lol. Or a completely different view or something like that. And then they would just, the server would just call things to update this thing over here, and yeah. Now that would be freaking cool, I'm just saying. But the problem here would be that this would be written in Rust. This is the biggest problem. And this one would also contain the game, right? Then this platform would also have to be written in Rust, because we don't have any other bindings, sadly. I'm now writing it twice, which is stupid. But the renderer can still be written in Zig.
Renderer. Pixel manipulation.
No, we're gonna use Vulkan.
Finally.
Vulkan. Now we're using Vulkan, bro.
Yes. Can we use OpenGL also?
No! No!
Yes.
I'm not gonna
yes.
learn OpenGL.
No.
Bro, you
I
can
will.
learn that in one day, bro.
Yeah, I can learn it in like 2 hours.
No, but I don't wanna. I wanna use Vulkan. I like
Trust-
Vulkan.
Bro,
Uh-huh.
trust it's good. Like for real.
Alright, hey, Tisha, decide which
We-
side you're
wait,
on. You're 1 second you're
Yeah.
saying that you should learn more about Zig, and then Rust is good! Bro, you
It's
can...
on both sides, like Sweden.
Yeah. Depending on the
Yeah.
situation,
Yeah,
he's on the one side
Yeah.
or the other.
yeah.
But you know, OpenGL it's super nice with my binding that I made. Normal OpenGL is garbage, but with the binding that I made, it's nice.
No,
And
but
it's for Zig.
you see, I wanna use Vulkan. That's the thing. Vulkan, it's here in my heart.
Well, we can have an OpenGL backend.
Shut up.
Yeah.
We
Well,
are using
Harold for the
Vulkan,
low
and
level,
that's
you know?
it.
Gay?
Harold for the low level stuff, you know.
No.
Ah,
Yeah, nah, OpenGL for the low level stuff, and then Vulkan.
we should get the
Yes.
Vulkan memory allocator. I think there's in C, but I
Yeah,
guess
I also wanted to use it in what is it called? In Blavi.
Hmm?
But yeah. But wait, where's the bug?
There's what?
I killed it.
Ah,
I killed the bug.
nice.
I hope.
So you can run
I
your
am seeing
layers
it,
now.
bro. Yeah, I hope.
But this would be freaking damn cool. Like, and then we make some Minecraft clone-ish, and we would be able to play together. And also the thing that is really cool about this is that you could even make like your local copy of, you know, if you work together, you know, you can even run your own local version of the thing. And you could make your custom platform. Fuck. Which has to be written in Rust. Sadly. But you could manipulate here custom calls to what happens. Kind of like, I don't know.
Yeah, good luck.
No, you could do that. I'm making an assumption that can Rust use C dynamic libraries?
Yes.
Well, yeah, then this should be
I
easy.
think.
And yeah.
But no, because you're gonna have to write unsafe Rust.
Well, what's the problem with that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the whole
can't
reason
we?
behind Rust.
Come back to me when you've written unsafe Rust, okay?
The code I
You will
probably
see
have
the
written right
issue.
now is already unsafe. I don't know, man.
No, you don't understand. Unsafe Rust is a completely different language.
Ah,
Inside of a language. That's even more strict. So, good luck.
At this point, you can just write C, bro.
Yeah, at this point, just give up.
but SpacetimeDB doesn't have
yeah.
C, bro. I'm telling you. This is
Oh,
not.
why?
Make a SpacetimeDB C binding. It's not too well. I don't know how many garbage made up schizophrenic types SpacetimeDB uses, but depending on how
No,
many
they
of
they
those are,
they don't they don't.
it's not too bad.
You I don't think they have. You have to kind of like make your own. They use WebAssembly for they
No.
convert their stuff to WebAssembly.
Yes, but that's just because Rust is the only actual functional WebAssembly language. But okay, I mean, what are the garbage made up schizophrenic types that exist? Like, is there some success abomination Windows string extended deluxe okay type?
I don't
or
think
something?
so. Like, what do they have? They have.
Okay, well, you have traits. Okay, we're already screwed.
Oh, okay.
Cooked.
We're cooked. But it's okay.
I mean, I guess void
This is gonna
pointer.
be a
Like, you
big
see all of
progress.
this
Hope you
stuff
can
here.
complete it.
Void
Yeah, I
pointer.
will. I always complete big projects. You guys have seen my
No.
beautiful shitty Vulkan VR thingy to command.
1 month. Sure.
It was like 30 episodes.
Sure. It was like 1.5 months, but yeah. Same, but different.
1 1/4. 1/3.
Quarter.
Something like that.
A quarter is not 1/3.
No, it was 1/3.
Oh no, I mean, okay, guys. 1/3.
Yeah, 1/3.
Not 1/3. 1/3.
Yeah, 1/3.
Oh, we're so mature.
What?
We are so mature.
I still don't see, but sure, why not? But
Mature.
yeah,
you know,
we are so much ore. Yes, I agree.
Bruh.
But
Oh,
I mean,
Harold, please
this-
look at my stream and look at my Bash script.
Oh no. What the fuck?
Bro, I'm saying, bro, I'm quitting C and I'm going full time on Bash.
Cooked.
But I
You're
mean,
also
this
cooked.
doesn't
Everyone is
sound like
cooked.
too much of a bad idea. I like this because you could make a multiplayer game and you can update the game logic while people are playing. That would be the crazy part. And then, of course, if you want to change the renderer, then you would have to say that there's a new version. But yeah. And it wouldn't even, if you use the wrong client version, like let's say this one uses version 0.1, this one uses 1.2.
Then you're cooked.
Like, I don't think
Shit
this
is
one even
cooked.
will have like any, like you would just run and you would see, you wouldn't see everything that this one is seeing, but you are not in control of the data. The servers is in control of the data, so you can't even do anything wrong. You can just render shit wrong. That's the only thing you have control over. I guess also some functions that may not exist anymore on this thing, but then it's just like it's not gonna do anything when it's just gonna, I don't care. So that would be funny to see as well. Although you could also just make checks here that are using a right client version, but I think this would be freaking amazing. Okay, how do I now host this on an actual IP or make a Docker out of it or some whatnot? I just want to try to get this working because then it shows kind of like a proof of concept that I have a brain, and when we can prove that I have a brain, we can go on to this thing. I think that would be a really cool way to go about it. And that would be so freaking cool. Like, I'm not kidding. I would be so fucking cool, I think. Or we could, oh my god, Harold. Nah, that wouldn't make any sense, would it now? I was thinking, what if we just... You would have to make some sort of like session state manager, you know, with lobbies and shit. But why not? And a UI using Vulkan and Zig. Oh my god, Harold, wouldn't that be fucking amazing?
Bro,
UI using Zig
Yeah,
and
or your
Vulkan.
Mhm.
What the fuck?
Now listen,
Nah, bro.
listen. That would be freaking cool. It's
Bro, it's
hard to-
literally easier surviving a Russian invasion than that.
but like we could do the RTS game that we spoke about, and we could develop it while people are playing. I think that
Who
would be
actually
just.
doesn't want to do his sick library and wants to do something else. Yeah.
I think let's just do a voxel clone and do that while people are playing. I think that's already freaking amazing. Then you wouldn't have to have us. People could just start the client and automatically connect and wouldn't have to worry about shit. Right?
Right.
The biggest win from that would be to stop using TypeScript. And fucking WebAssembly kill me already.
You see, Lucas, this is what I told you. I warned you. WebAssembly was garbage. I told you, and now we are here. You see? This is what happens when you don't listen to the master of knowledge.
Hey, I also need to learn
The
these
more you know.
mistakes. I cannot learn your mistakes, Harold.
It's a good.
No, these are not my mistakes. You see, I don't make mistakes.
You create your first triangle like 10 months ago. It's crazy how fast you learn. I just created my first triangle like 3 weeks ago and I felt like I haven't learned anything new. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. I'm gonna...
Oh, I needed to create 6 triangles or like 3 triangles to understand it. And now I'm sitting here developing blah blah.
I think like for Vulkan,
I love OpenGL.
if you use Vulkan and you wanna learn it, you know, let's say it's this thing. It's not like you're gonna be like learning complete pieces like this. You're gonna start doing a little bit here and there, you know? Like this is what you're gonna do. And then you're gonna read a little bit more. And then when you go through a few more iterations, you start to see like why you did these things and how they work together. And then you start filling in pieces like this. So I had the same exact feeling like you did. I just did quickly a few things I didn't know and I didn't understand how they connected. But with time, when I just did more stuff in Vulkan, it was like, well, that makes sense now. Okay, that's why we do it. But I still have a lot of learn.
That's why we
a lot of
clash.
learn. What?
No, it's not as fun.
Yeah, but yeah, I still have a lot to learn regarding Vulkan, but I want to get to
it would be so nice. It would be so nice if the GPU would just be like the CPU and it would actually like be usable without having a big ass API. Like imagine you could just make a compute shader and you can render that, you can use that without having like 50 different backends for like graphic APIs, you know. Wouldn't that just be so nice?
Yeah.
No textures, no nothing. Just like you can upload shit through like a tunnel,
What?
like a bit stream to a shader. That's not even a shader. It's just a program.
Do anyone know the specs of Damon's server?
No.
Because I wonder, like, what is the specifications that one needs to actually run a SpacetimeDB? Like, how good does the server need to be? I hope it makes sense. I want to learn more about Vulkan later, but now I need to focus on C++ stuff. C++ is a monster, I'm telling you.
Yeah, like Vulkan.
Well,
Don't learn two monsters at the same time.
No. Don't listen to this guy. But I think...
What? Wait, did I miss something? What happened?
What?
What happened with don't listen to this guy?
What?
Hello.
Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Yo.
Yo, it's
What
Fredmaster.
happened to don't listen to this guy?
Ah,
Huh?
the Mr. Harold. Don't listen to Harold.
Yeah, that I see that you don't do that because of the awesome, you know. But you know, you have fun.
I mean,
I guess.
Wasm could be worse, to be honest. I'm trying to find where is
It's
there any
barely.
recommended specs for space time?
Yes, more power equals better. That's the specs. Nah, I can't imagine the specs are very high.
Yeah. It takes me 2 days to create a grid for Conway Game of Life with the assistance of AI. Lol. I don't know if that's too bad. Depending on how many hours did you spend on each day. Like if you just spend an hour, you know, it kind of makes sense. Hello, Peppa.
Yo, Fred. Oh yeah, you're on phone right now, right?
Oh yeah, we're not.
Yeah.
You know how what we did before with installing the drivers?
Yeah.
We just need to do that, but you just need the right drivers. And I think actually in the second video they showed the correct drivers.
Oh, okay.
So watch the second video, and in there they show like Wi-Fi drivers, and you notice the motherboard is the same you have, so you can just locate the website, download the drivers, you know, put them on the PC again with USB stick, and you should be good to go.
Okay. I'm
So
gonna
watch the
try
second
that.
video.
Okay.
Yeah. See ya. No, I don't know if you go, but we'll see.
Yeah, I think I do. Actually.
Okay. Bro, bash scripting is something else. This is crazy.
I know, it's horrendous.
I think it's quite a lot that it take a lot of time just dealing with C++ bug and inheritance lol. I mean, what are you used to? Because for me, it's like you learn to C++. You will get used to reading the runtime and compile time errors and just figure out what they means and how to even debug those things will get more and more reasonable with time. Right, talking about debuggers, hello Harold, hello Mr. Lucas, hello. What does working on planning yes mean?
Huh?
We are planning the next project. Or this is kind of like, this project has kind of been like a testing tools out kind of things, and I feel like it's got me excited for making a Minecraft clone again, but this time it's gonna be still Vulkan and Zig, but for the rendering part. But sadly the game will have to be written in Rust because we're gonna use SpacetimeDB to make it multiplayer. That's gonna be the cool thing, but the renderer will still be in Zig, so that will be freaking amazing. And Vulkan. Is the Minecraft clone gonna be ray? Should we make it ray tracing, bro? What the fuck is this, brother? By the way, where's my fighter? Oh wait, I think it has frozen for some. Let me just restart the application.
Ah, damn, I was trying to do something, but then it broke.
There. Why is it not?
Huh?
Why is the? Oops. So I don't know what happened there. It was kind of weird. Okay.
Lucas, look to the right here. This is what is required to make a texture in OpenGL.
Look to the right.
No, no way. You're
Lucas,
kidding.
for reference. You know my Blavi with a texture? Yeah, you know how many lines it has?
No.
Guess.
800.
Guess. Yeah, nah.
Is it
Yeah,
less or
more?
More. 1,600.
More.
3,200.
More.
6,400.
Less. Okay, it has 4,000 lines.
I was about to say that next, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
But
also about
I
right.
mean, there's also library infrastructure. There's also library infrastructure.
Lucas, you see the VAO, VBO. This is what is required for a model. I could put infinite amounts of garbage in there. This is enough to render a dragon or a triangle.
To render a dragon.
Yes.
Shut
You
up,
see,
bro.
Lucas?
No, we're still
It's
using.
so little code.
We're still using Vulkan, bro. I'm not going to OpenGL. I haven't written a single line of OpenGL. I'm not gonna start writing OpenGL.
Lucas, just look at my stream.
No. Hello, Vivex CTF. Okay, Harold has something important to show. What are you gonna show?
Oh, his OpenGL binding. Nah, if this 60 lines show anything more than a dot on the screen, I will cry.
Same. No fucking way.
Oh yeah, nah, I remember.
This is just 60 lines?
shorten it.
No, this is like 250.
Okay, but still, what the fuck?
Yeah, and there's some boilerplate and like delta time, and you know I'm making pretty nice space. Yeah. This is my my binding. Do you like it? This is a pipeline, by the way.
Yeah, that's the pipeline. What the fuck? There's
Oh yeah,
this
so here are my shaders and my data inside of the same file.
What the fuck?
You like it? Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
And also this is also look at the imports. It's standard library, my GLFW binding, my OpenGL binding, my math library, and STB.
No, that's
image
freaking
stuff.
that's crazy, bro. That's cool. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's really crazy.
But we're still using Vulkan, bro.
Yeah, sure, but like still.
Is the Minecraft game gonna be an actual game with content or just another thing to learn? Wow, I learned Vulkan because it's new, but OpenGL is this simple, damn. Yeah, OpenGL is pretty simple.
Like if you're too lazy like me to learn Vulkan, but you think it's cool, learn OpenGL because both are as fast. But if you're in for the long run and you maybe want to get a job or some shit, yeah, learn Vulkan.
Yeah. Is the Minecraft game gonna
Wait.
be an actual game with
wait.
content or just another thing to learn? That's actually a good question. Should we make it ray trace?
Ray marching, that's good. Because you can draw the same over and over again.
Should we try that because we could literally try a different graphics pipeline now for this as well, you know?
Ray marching, trust me, bro. Like ray marching is probably the best thing for voxels because like you can basically draw the same thing like a trillion times, and it would like cost as much as drawing it like 2 times. It doesn't care.
Yeah. What's the difference between like isn't ray marching just same as ray casting kind of?
There are similarities, but it's like a different way of calculating it.
Yeah.
But like results are pretty similar.
But is ray marching also like is it just one, like it's from point A to point B, or is it because ray tracing has that you go to multiple angles after you hit the point, but does ray marching just go from A to B, so there's like no
like
tracing?
you can do the same thing with ray marching as you can do in ray tracing, so you can have like diffuse lighting and global illumination and garbage.
Yeah.
But ray marching also gives you like extra data, so you can do like I don't know if you've seen like when you drag an object onto another object and it gets like combined kind of.
Yeah.
It's like if you took clay. Yeah, that's ray marching also.
Should we actually make it to an actual project where you can
Mods? Mod support? What?
mods, bro?
Because
Putting that WebAssembly back in there? What are you suggesting?
No. C sharp or some shit. That's the best thing for modding, I would say. Not Lua even, because Lua is such a garbage language.
How would you even go about it? Because I'm thinking like, you see what I have sketched up here on the screen?
Yes, sadly I do.
So I'm thinking the server Rust, it has the game, it's the main thing that tells how the game works. So you would have to put mods into the server if you want to mod it. If you want to mod the visuals, you would have to put it in the client.
No. Well, I guess, but like, Minecraft, that also has like client and server modes.
Does it? Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, mods are on
Yeah.
the server. That's right. I forgot about it.
Yeah, but there are also client mods in
Yeah.
Minecraft, that only affect your client.
That's true. Sure.
Yeah, but server mods should probably only be like administered through the person having the platform and not just random people.
I'm just thinking
And
like
at that point,
I'm just thinking like, should we make an actual game that people could play, or what's it gonna be?
I mean, it's I don't know.
Because if we made it like people could actually play it, or with the content kind of thing. I mean,
yeah.
the thing is, if you're gonna do that, you would have to actually make something that would be. What would be the selling? Why would even someone wanna play it? That's the thing I'm concerned about. Like, I'm just gonna make another Minecraft clone, basically. Why would anyone care about playing it?
You can make it unique by making it have like, I don't know, cool physics. Minecraft doesn't have physics.
Yeah, we'll make it spherical, and then you.
Yeah, like that Minecraft mod.
Oh, there's a mod for that. Oh my god, forget what I was
Yeah,
saying.
bro, there's a mod for that.
Forget what I was
It
saying.
it makes the things smooth.
No, I meant like you're literally on a planet.
Oh yeah, you can do that with a shader
No, I mean like actually like
in Minecraft.
with physics.
Oh, eco.
So you could like have even like 2 separate planets, and it will still be block based,
Oh, okay, that. Okay. So eco, but 2 planets.
Sure, I don't know what eco is, but sure, that.
Search.
Okay. Eco Minecraft mod.
No, it's not a mod, it's a game.
What the fuck? What do I just say? Eco?
You can type eco game. Yeah.
The planning go crazy. Let's go on images. Wow, that's so good.
Yeah, and it is blocks and shit, so.
Blocks and shit.
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
That it's loading the images so fast.
Yeah, I know.
You can paint in this thing, yo.
Oh yeah, also there's like global warming and shit in this game also.
Sure. Okay, never mind. Forget what I was thinking. But is it block based also? So you dig down in blocks?
Yeah, it is block based.
How did they solve the thing for when you go down? Like, what did they do?
I don't know. They did something. I don't know. I mean, maybe the blocks get like slightly smaller or something.
Or is there like a max min height and like where you can?
I'm not sure. I haven't played it.
Okay.
I just know about it.
Well, then we cannot do this.
But I know you can go. I know you can go pretty deep down. But I mean, you can do that because different planets. That's a pretty cool idea.
And then they can collide.
Yes, and everyone
What?
A little bit of drifting away from Minecraft.
No, it's still Minecraft.
No.
But they can collide the planets.
Space stations and rockets. Yo, and you can like shoot at the other planet if and the moons.
Wait, maybe we can add a mine.
No. Rockets, nuclear bombs. Yeah, that's what I like to hear.
Well, we can add sea.
Yeah.
Z.
No.
I was supposed to do Docker today, but I still like the planning way better than doing the Docker at this point.
Yes. planning is way better than Docker. Let's just not even do any projects. Let's just do planning for projects.
Bro, I think I found my true save. I will just make bash scripts for my till the end of my life now.
Bro, that's so sad.
Cheesecake,
no.
what's up? I just
Please
imagined like
donate money
aligning
to
physics though,
Lucas.
making me shiver. What?
Please donate money to Lucas so T-Chef will stop making bash scripts.
Yeah, I can only
I need it for my hyperlink.
I can
Lucas,
only make T-Chef make other stuff if I get paid, so I can pay him.
Lucas, you know
Yeah.
the problem
Hmm?
we have right now with workspaces, so that they basically don't have numbers and like they kind of suck, that they go away if you don't have anything on them, and it's like really not clear.
What are you
Yeah,
talking
I'm
about?
making a script where you see your workspaces on the top left.
Yeah, I see those.
Yeah, you don't see which number it is, and it can get quite chaotic
Yeah.
really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm making a plugin right now, like not a plugin but a bash script that basically has numbers in there that are like always active or not if you like, because right now if you don't have a window in the workspace, they
Mhm.
like the workspace will doesn't get showed or something.
I think
Yeah,
you're making it overcomplicated. Doesn't there exist such a feature already in Way bar?
There is such a feature in Weibo.
no,
Yeah, I would
no.
say
The
that
problem
there
is there are normal workspaces, but with multiple monitors, it isn't working. So
Have two different Weibars.
yeah,
I mean, it's not a bad
you
idea.
need to make custom scripts.
Nice to have more Weibars.
Yeah.
It's way better.
We can go to a bar and talk about this.
I think I'll order a foo.
Oh my god! Oh no.
Hold up.
Anyways, let's see. Or if we don't do that, man, we really need to sit down and plan
Well.
this thing, because this is gonna get so freaking cool. Because I like this idea, like this technology, technology. Wow, we're gonna make multiplayer. That's insane, revolutionary, right? I have all side of monitor with bar. Best approach. Yes. What are you doing? Zig?
That's the plan.
Zig
That's the entire
move.
plan. We don't need no more planning.
No. Or should we go for making a RTS game? I think an RTS would be freaking cool as well.
Wait, hear me out. RTS with different planets.
That exists
Yeah,
already.
no, that kind of sucks.
I
That's
have
like all
played
of them.
it. It's really nice.
Wait, Lucas, a mega super duper big planet.
That exists already. It's called Earth.
Bruh. No, it's not called Earth, it's called Tellus. That's right. Yeah, learn your planets, little bro.
Oh yeah.
What about Jupiter?
That's just called Jupiter.
Helus. What kind of planet is Tellus?
Ask ChatGPT if the Earth's real name is Tellus.
If the Earth is
Ah.
flat.
Scientific name.
Nah,
Also,
I'm
but,
asking about real name. Terra.
yeah, that's in English. My bad. Tellus is Swedish, I think.
I think Harold's
Yeah, but
very
they sure
into
ain't
planets.
Earth.
I think so too. Harold's way too obsessed with planets.
What? No, bro. I had like I needed to spend like 4 weeks of my life learning about planets every single day, every single morning, like right before Christmas. It sucked. So now I know a bunch of shit, and I don't like it.
Space and planets are pretty damn cool. Tell us about Pluto.
Pluto isn't a planet, bro. It's a dwarf planet thing.
Dwarf
It's like me. It's short.
Oh, you also short? Hell yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, but everyone else in my family is gonna be tall, so I'm probably gonna be tall. So now
Oh
Lucas, you're gonna
man,
be
so
left alone.
you're gonna leave the dwarf squad? How dare you?
Yeah, man. You'll have to make your own fortress.
uh, damn. Okay, but what can we do? What could we do? We could make a Minecraft clone, but the thing is, if you're gonna make an actual playable content thing, what would be the oh, you know what we do? Risk of
Skyrim.
rain.
2. What the fuck? We could literally just make League of Legends 5 or some shit. It would be better.
But does it like Risk of Rain 2? I love Risk of Rain 2. I think you will.
I don't even know what it is, to be honest.
What the fuck? You get out of here.
Get out.
Get out. No, but for real, like what? I'm thinking this is actually like I was supposed to do 50 minutes ago the Docker thing, but it didn't happen. I got more curious about what, because I think it's a better thing also to plan about where are we going with this. Originally I was thinking to make a 2D top-down game, but now like I really don't want to do more with the web development. And I
Oh,
don't
that's
convert,
Risk of Rain.
and I don't want to convert into WebAssembly all of the time. This is just getting like, it's too many nasty stuff to touch. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Because I feel like there's more potential than touching those things, so I'm not gonna touch those anymore.
That's what she said.
Shut up.
That's right.
Like Minecraft Ice Boat. Oh wait. I think a simple racing game would be great, like Minecraft Ice Boat.
Mario Kart? But it's against 5 trillion enemies. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Mario Kart. No.
Yes, you have to race around an entire planet and there's like 5 billion enemies around you and you got to survive all the way.
Bruh.
You don't need to win the race, you just have to survive.
I think Harold needs help.
Zombie apocalypse, but all the zombies are in race cars because they're racists.
Harold need exclusive help. Or just
Deluxe?
Or just F it. Risk of Rain 2 plus racing game on a planet. Perfect.
With zombies.
With zombies. I mean...
Yes. Wait, Lucas, Minecraft, but there are no cubes because they're like pure, no, like the triangle stuff that's free. Oh, Prism, yeah.
I think
no,
it
not
would be
Prism.
kind of cozy still to just go with the Minecraft clone again.
But it's on an alien planet and there are zombies in race cars.
Go with the planets.
No.
Let's make Minecraft,
Wait,
but
guys.
but it's No Man's Sky with Risk of
Guys, let's make
What
a
the
Vulcan in Vulcan.
No. But you know, Lucas, hear me out. And also you also hear me out. Okay, this is a crazy idea. Okay. So imagine a planet that is made out of cubes like Minecraft. Okay. And it's the 15th century and you need to find India. So you gotta take your boat and then the rest of the game is just colonizing the entire world. But there are zombies in race cars.
Shut the fuck up with your zombies in race cars, bro.
What can you say, bro? I just love racists like that.
When I
You know,
grow up,
those
I want to
people
become a
race.
racist.
Yeah, exactly.
Britain Simulator. Guy, let's make a AAA game in Vulkan. Yes. No. I think this is a pretty damn good idea. All right. We will
A
make.
quad day.
I think we will make a simple game, right? No, this is not gonna be. This is gonna be freaking hard, but I will love the idea. Okay. What the f? What is? What the f? What the f? Whoa.
Continue.
That looked like something I have seen before. Anyways, we will.
It's an upside down car.
Oh my god! Exactly what I was thinking. We will go
Yeah, well, it actually was upside down.
we will go for the Minecraft clone thingy. Hey, yo, Harold, with the planets, right? You know, I don't know really. We will figure something out for these. Because you can see it's gonna be a little bit sus, this thing. We need square blocks, and well, yeah, this ain't gonna be that square, bruh. But I have seen a few videos on how to resolve this, so we'll figure something out. What the fuck is this thing? Wheel. Body. Window. What kind of
Yes.
car are you driving in
It's a
Sweden?
Don't you like them Swedish cars, you know, Volvo?
But this will be the plan, right? And then we can actually make a content game out of it, right? You can have multiple planets, and the thing where we can start to apply like something like physics into the thing is also like, you know, the gravitational force, which is equal to multiplied by mass.
Oh, hell no. Bro, it's just... This is just his math. It's
But this is
math.
simple, you know. This is just a constant, you know. You know, and this is just the mass of the planet, which we can easily calculate, and then we can have the mass of the player, and then these will also be like interacting with each other shortly, and then you just have the distance, the radius, and then you can through this you can figure out how fast somebody should accelerate towards, you know, that, because that's literally just F is equal to ma. My brain is stopped working at this point. Is it just F over M? I think it's this. So then you can figure out the acceleration also, how fast a player should accelerate towards a planet. And this could all be done multiplayer as well.
Lucas, look at this crazy function I just had. Okay, so you see F equals X, and X
Yeah,
is
go
the
ahead, do
result
it.
of whatever you want to be the result. Pretty
Now
crazy, am I right?
This function I need in all of my applications. Can you implement it?
Yes, absolutely. I'm on it.
But we can start off, and I think that would be a fun project, you know. We could develop it while people are playing, and we could just add a new feature just like that, you know. Oh my god, now that's gonna be freaking crazy, because like a person, as I said in the beginning of this, like a person could still use a outdated version of the client, you know. You laugh so hard your mic dead. What? Oh my god. Okay. Can you hear me? Oh no, my Discord died. Okay. Hello?
Hello, you laughed so hard, and your mic was like, and then you just gone.
Wait, can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me. Good. Say something.
Yes, I can hear
Okay,
that
okay.
Finnish guy. Hello. Stream on Discord, please.
Is
Or
that
else I will have to.
headphone? Yeah, I implemented this into
Headphone?
oh yeah. Okay. I'll read the old chat message, my bad. But yeah, you know, this is the coolest part. Like, imagine this, somebody can run version 1 of the client. We can still implement new game like logic and features, And this client will just, well, it will get incorrect data, but it will still render something, and then the one who, it would just be like,
It's
please update.
it's called a launcher.
Yes.
Yeah, it's literally just a launcher. Also,
But-
stream on Discord, please.
Oh, we lost that, damn it. But I'm just saying, like, imagine how cool this thing would be, you know? Oh my god. You know what you could. Oh, you know what I'm cooking in my mind right now? You know what I'm cooking? You will have a consistent profile of your stats, right? The fuck is this?
That's the same energy as what you just said, like right before.
Motherfucker, that's called a job. Is that
Yeah,
dropping the
it's-
bang
it's-
from Teal and Peel?
Yes, yes, it is. It's the same energy that you just said, like like before there.
Wait, what did I say?
Yeah, it's like if you have a client here, that's version 1, and you have another one that's version 2, they do the same thing. What?
Motherfucker, that's called a client launcher.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm reinventing the wheel here, alright?
Yeah, I can see that there are 3 wheels right there. You are reinventing the wheel 3 times.
But I'm saying this, okay? You could literally have it so that when people connect, you know, they will have a user, you know, that is connected, and no matter when you connect, you can get spawned on any of these planets, and there are like things that is haunting you, monsters and shit. Oh, and you will just get spawned in, and
Oh, zombies in race cars.
oh my god. And we could even make it just like, of course we will start off with just simple implementation, probably have a flat world to begin with, a brick, and then we'll try to transform it to this. Lucas, do Dying Light 4. No. Isn't that like kind of like a horror game or something?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't play horror games.
Lucas, you should make 69 Days to Die. That's also kind of like Minecraft, you know. You know the building?
Yeah.
7 Days to Die. Yeah. And zombies in race cars.
Zombies in race cars. On different planets.
Yes. Yes, exactly. Wow, that's so original.
But I guess if we did this, then we could actually make it into some sort of content game. I would be up for it at that point. I would just, like, it will be such a freaking experience, you know?
Wait, what? What is the game idea in reality? I've been talking
This-
about zombies in race cars.
No. This is...
I see 3 balls and math.
This is-
What a good game! Yeah, wow, what a great game! This is the best game ever. I think you're
Oh,
gonna win an Oscar
wait.
for this one.
I looked away for a second and now I'm seeing A equals F divided by M, male, and a bunch of wheels. What is this?
The plan is we're gonna make a Minecraft clone
This is the
again.
game. The heck, can't you see that?
Can't you see that? It's right there. But we will have different planets, right? So it will be a Minecraft clone, blocks and shit. And then you can, you know, walk around on a planet as you do on a planet, you know, but you can also go to different planets. I don't know how though. And then it's just basically when you get spawned in, you die, and then you just store your stats on the debater base, you know. And then you can just spawn in
I
back
guess.
again, and you just yeah.
Look at the YouTube link there, but like read it from what is also I wrote on top of it.
Motherfucker, that is called dimensions. Well, but this is not like a portal travel. Well, I guess we could have portals if you wanted to, but we would literally have planets, right? It's not no portals. There's if you could jump
Okay.
super high, you could jump from one planet. Should that be the feature?
There-
You jump from one planet to the other.
It's like, yeah, you have a family on this planet, and then you're like going to get the milk and some cigarettes, you know, and then you accidentally jump and bam, new planet. That's what happened to your dad, Lucas,
Okay.
isn't it?
I mean, he said he went to the moon.
Oh, he said that really.
But moon is not a planet.
It's a moon.
It's a moon. But is there gonna be ray tracing? I think I would like to try to go for ray tracing. Don't you think that Harold will be freaking amazing?
Ray marching. Also, one thing
Ray
about the
marching.
moon, Lucas, it's actually called Luna. So get your
Yeah,
moons right.
but we're doing it like politicians now. Like we're saying things without like thinking about what it takes. So yeah, ray tracing. What else? I think like AAA game would also be good.
Yeah. You know, let's just hire like 100 people to work on assets. Also, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah,
No,
and sound design. We need like sound tracing so that the
Ah,
further
yeah,
you are
true,
away,
true.
yeah.
Guys, you're missing the
Yeah.
point. It's supposed to be simple.
Yeah, okay. Well, in that case, we can probably just add like realistic water physics, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think the
Wait,
goal is
let's
Yeah.
also simulate realistic black holes so we get like the weirdest
True.
kind.
we could
Yeah.
actually do
Okay,
that though.
hear me out. Yeah, let's hear me out though. Okay, so we simulate stars, but instead of simulating them, we actually have stars like 1 billion kilometers away that pull on everything, you know. And we can have like different galaxies that pull together, like towards each other. Doesn't that just sound so simple?
Yes. And microtransactions. Now we're talking.
Now we're talking.
Write that down
Yeah.
somewhere. You cannot move to another planet unless you
Yes.
pay a transaction fee.
But Lucas, we're gonna have this amazing technology. It's not microtransactions. This is even better. It's like revolutionary. It's called It's what?
Macrotransactions.
No, this is called mega transactions because
But
it will cost a shit ton of money.
That's literally what macro would mean.
No, macro is a C macro, you know, like at
Oh,
define and that
go-
like
Go
What are
analyze
you on, bro?
yourself.
No, I'm not finished.
What the fuck is sound?
But you are
tracing?
finished.
It's like, yes, microtransaction would be great. Sound tracing is basically ray tracing, but for audio. Terra and Moon are not real names of our planet, and the Moon, I don't know where you got that from. These terms are simply Latin for Earth, Sun, and Moon. But did you know that the correct name for our galaxy is the galaxy and not the Milky Way? Isn't it? No, I think Cheesecake is spreading lies.
Oh no, bro is Russian. He can't help it. The school system failed him.
He's spreading hate.
No, he you know, he lives in Eastern Europe. Then, you know, the schooling there isn't too good, okay? He can't help it. It's fine. But no, the moon is actually called Luna, and the planet Earth is actually called Terra or Tellus in Swedish, apparently.
I
And
think it's called
the
Tellus in
galaxy, I don't know.
Swedish,
Yeah. But
Yeah.
apparently Terra in English. So.
Nah,
And the
that's correct.
sun, it's called something.
Broski, I
Big
can
ass
astrophysics.
blob.
I don't think he can though.
No, it's not even called astrophysics because this is not to do with physics. It's to do with naming. It's called astronomy.
I think it's called ass.
yeah, that's the real name. Astronomy is actually like made up. It's actually called just ass.
Okay, but we need to look into a server. I think my internet died.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucas, you should probably get a server in your hometown. So you can actually have internet.
No, you can get it in Finland here. They have option to get it in Finland, the server, so it's good.
What? They have internet in Finland? Damn,
Yeah,
okay.
we
Wow.
got it like yesterday.
That's crazy.
Can I see more about this?
Finland!
Yeah. I want to see more about the specs. Can I see the plan? Can I see more?
No, just host it on Aternos. Or Aternos, whatever you name it.
Harold
Yeah,
is
post it on there.
spreading
Yeah.
misinformation and thinking he's correct. I so sleepy, but I want to hear about the plan. Don't worry about. Don't worry, Harold. It's okay for this age. You will get over this. Can you just make up your mind, lol? Let's get started. Is this already payment? I would like just to read more about.
Cheesecake is literally gaslighting. It's like the Latin word for moon is Luna, and everyone knows that Latin people are the smart ones.
Except for the smart people.
Well, everything scientific is to do with Latin, so or Greek, I guess, but no one
I'm just
cares
trying to
about those
figure out,
people.
like,
Like
what
Greek is
is-
basically Latin.
Okay, here. You will get at least 10 terabyte of inclusive drive for a cloud server at EU location and 1 terabyte in Singapore as the user. For each additional terabyte, we will charge €1 in the EU and Singapore, excluding what? Damn it. But I don't know how much is 20 terabytes.
A lot.
Nah, not many.
What the hell are you guys on?
I don't know.
Lucas, for perspective,
Mhm.
a modern AAA game is about 100 gigs. Well, 200 gigs, somewhere around there.
No, I'm
So,
not talking about storage, I'm
yeah.
talking about traffic.
Traffic.
Yeah.
20 terabytes. Well, that's actually it. But that's still enough. Like, you have 5 followers. So I don't know what the problem is.
I was wondering if I
You could
go.
literally host LAN.
Because I wonder how much information it is. Because they're gonna be using. Usually will be billed. It will never exceed its monthly price cap. If you delete your cloud server before the end of the billing month, we will only bill you for the hourly rate. Bill you for each cloud server until you choose to delete them. I mean, I think it's probably just good enough, this thing. I don't really see an issue with it. Could just go for that and just set it up. But I have an AI. Yeah, whatever. Let me use.
Oh, apparently Tellus is like a synonym for Terra. Okay, that's interesting.
Sure. I mean, if I could make... You have to change everything. But I think it would be more fun than trying to work on this freaking WebAssembly and the React application, because it's just giving me
Will
such
this
a
mean
headache.
more SIG?
Yes, because we would do the rendering
Yes,
in Vulkan.
this is a great idea, Lucas. It's a fabulous idea. Let's continue on this idea.
The
This
only
is the
thing
best
that
idea
is
you've
bad
ever had.
is writing the server in Rust, because that has to be done in Rust.
No.
Yes.
No, just make a binding and
Oh.
then use SIG.
I don't know how to make a binding for this. I don't want a
So what you
binding.
do, it's easy. You just convert all the Rust types into void pointers, and then you export it to FFI or C, and then you can import it to SIG. Super duper easy.
I think it's just easier to use Rust at that point.
Probably, but not as cool.
Well, well, that's true. I was about to say we don't care about being cool, but then I was like, but we do care about being cool, so.
Yeah, we do care about that.
Yeah. Now I'm just thinking, like, I'm not really excited about, like, it's a cool idea, but I think, like, even if I got people to connect, I think this This would be freaking amazing. Or is there any other? I think this would be the freaking amazing thing to
Bro
go.
really scroll from like server backend as being a fun idea to math and a bunch of balls with like lines.
No, they are the
Yes.
same. They are the same.
They are the same. Interesting. Yeah, looks exactly the same.
It's just this is what it will be. This is how the data will work. It's the same. I'm telling you, bro.
So you mean the client is gonna be a bunch of balls?
Well, depending on how on you see on it.
Yes. I also like the equals f divided by m, nothing else. Oh, now you added it back. Okay,
I don't know where it went. It should have been there. Because then I can utilize then I can utilize these things I have learned in school. That would be crazy. I think it would be crazy. Don't you think it would be crazy? T-Chef, tell it would be crazy.
T-Chef left.
Fuck.
Got him.
But and then we could actually make content based around it. I'm not sure. Like, what else would there be that would be pretty cool to make? Scream.
There's a link for you.
I'm too afraid to press it. It looks a bit sus. Schizophrenia. Do you familiar surroundings?
I think you need this.
Yes. Maybe. Yes. Strongly. Yes. Agree. Yes. Yes. Disagree. Yes. Yes. Let's take some no's in between. No. No. Yes.
In between, he says.
No. Yes. I don't know what I'm pressing. I'm just pressing things. Let's see what the answer will be.
Bro is gonna have Terry Davis syndrome at the end of this.
You know, it's just how fast. They usually just time how fast you are, you know?
Hello.
The chef. Lucas is doing a schizophrenic test right now.
Bro. You don't know. It was so funny. You know how I'm playing with Weber right now, right?
Uh-huh.
So I'm just bro, I wanted to kill Weber, so I can restart it. Bro, I accidentally did kill way, and then I wanted to auto complete it with tab. Bro, there was a way thing, so
Wayland.
I clicked way. Oh yeah, probably something like that, and my PC just shut down. It was so funny.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Nice.
I was pretty fast. I think I don't have it. Let's see. About your score. 35 out of 105.
You use Rust. You use Rust option.
What?
Yes.
And you use Rust option.
Yeah, in this test, you know. If yes, then extremely yes. You have schizophrenia. Yes.
Yes.
Also, if anyone is offended by us doing a schizophrenia test, you know, I can relate, so it's fine.
I did it fast though.
It doesn't help.
What are the results?
I don't know,
We
it
don't
said
know.
32 out of 105. I don't know what that means.
I think you're a certified C programmer.
What?
Okay, guys, I think I will go now in
Yeah.
bed.
I should also. We were supposed to
In
do the
bed?
Docker thing, but I'm like, we need a different project with the same
I'm like,
strategies.
nah, bro, I'm making pizzas on my screen. I don't know what these wheels are, or pizzas, I don't know, yeah, but...
You're
I
What
making
the
fun-
hell? Everyone is schizophrenic, bro. Like, teacher imagining these wheels being pizza. Like, what the hell?
Are those wheels or pizza or, I don't know, circle diagrams?
No, those are cars.
Oh,
Race cars with zombies inside of them. Don't you see that?
yeah. With a little bit of fantasy, I can see it loud and clear.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Loud and clear. What? You don't see sound, my guy.
I do.
He's schizophrenic.
Yeah, really.
I
Is.
actually plugged the sound into my left monitor, so now it actually, yeah, it visualizes sound. Yeah.
Oh, visualize this one.
I can actually
Wait.
visualize that one.
Look my stream, Harris.
What?
Uh-huh.
Look at my stream. And now
Also,
make a
guys,
noise.
ladies and gentlemen, we have the soundboard back.
Yo!
Wait, what? We do? Yo, who boost? Who gave a boost? Enti gave a boost. Yo, Enti.
Yo! Go! Yeah, guys. Can we get some happy inside of here for Anti? Ah, so nice.
Wait, so that's how T-Chef visualize audio.
Yeah, that's actually like,
Yeah.
I don't have audio,
Yeah.
like I'm just reading it
Mhm.
from those bars.
Oh
Ah,
yeah, of course.
How?
Yeah, you see, when this bar goes up, I know it's an A. Nah.
A.
A, yeah.
B.
Yeah, you see, this was this one.
But I said
Ah.
A, and I said B, and A went up when I said B.
Nah, but I think the
A?
connection must be like, I don't know,
Hmm?
like sabotaged.
Sabotage, yeah, the CIA is after him.
Yeah.
There's a-
But
You
wait,
know
how
what
do you
sounds like.
understand this one when it's no, what? I wanted it to be all the way up. No, up.
I think
Oh,
you need
damn
to
it.
speak a little bit more, like,
This maybe
Yeah.
possibly. This is very better, right? Oh yeah, that was what I was saying at this point.
Wait, did you develop that yourself, or is it something you just installed?
something I just installed. Just install sudo pacman-s kava.
I don't need
CAVA.
it, but I was just curious.
No,
You don't
Lucas,
want
you
your
don't
system
need
to
it.
be bloated?
Nah, I don't want more blood.
Yeah.
I already have
How do you
Electron.
how do you get your audio otherwise?
Well, you see,
Bloated drivers.
I'm gonna show you. This is
You
how I
have
get this.
drivers in
You see
taxis and
here
stuff?
when you speak,
Yeah.
I see this going up.
Oh.
And I
Oh,
also know
yeah.
what I'm saying because
Mhm.
you know I can see from here as well.
Oh, that
because
makes sense.
yeah, that
I was
makes so much
already
sense.
asking, bro.
Yeah, wait, does this? Wait, how do you understand this then? What am I saying now?
Because you can see here there's like colors.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Uh,
really?
the higher it goes, the
Uh-huh.
louder it is.
Yeah, no shit.
No, I'm colorblind though.
Well,
Yeah, yeah,
then you
it's
might.
always blue.
Okay, well then you might misinterpret an A for a B or something like that if you're colorblind, you know.
Mm.
Oh, oh no. Hate when it
Yeah.
happens.
Yes. But that's how I understand what's going on and what music is playing and these kind of things, you know, the average.
Mm. You know, I don't actually have audio or anything. I'm just guessing really well what to say.
That's really good. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
But
I also just know when to laugh and shit.
I don't know. I'm kind of like not that hooked on continuing on with this project. I'm like, it was cool, but I want to get back to first and
Zig.
foremost
Zig.
Zig, but also making a Minecraft clone. And I would love to make it like somewhat multiplayer or whatnot, you know. But do we need to make a whole situation of client connecting and you know, a menu and these kind of shit? Maybe.
Nah, it just makes if you just join a random server and it's like IP based, so you'll always join the same server.
Couldn't you make a Vulkan application in assembly because you can just call the C functions?
Okay,
Because-
Harold, go
Yeah.
to T-Chef,
Yeah.
go to sleep. I also need to go to sleep. Go to sleep, T-Chef. Go to sleep. But this
sleep.
I think would be a challenging project and a very fun one compared to what we're doing right now because I just the fucking React. and WebAssembly is just like, it's not even fun trying to debug what's going on. Like, it's just pain. That's all it is. But lower level,
Yeah, as soon as you leave Zig, it's bad.
yeah, but lower level just makes sense when things crashes. It's like, yeah, error at address this, and you're like, okay, yeah, obviously that doesn't work. But with higher levels, just like java.lang.server.network.something, and you're like, what the fuck? It's time to go
Lucas,
to
look
tell me
into
about the
these
plan next
chats.
stream. I will. I think I will have to a little bit cook more. The plan was to do a Docker thing, but I think we will go to making an actual Minecraft back to making a Minecraft clone, and this time in Zig. And we will be multiplayer with SpacetimeDB. Of course, the game logic will have to be written in Rust, sadly. But the render will still be written in Zig with Vulkan. So
That's
that will
kind
be
of fire.
That's gonna be fire. What did you say, Harold?
What I said is that this is me when I look at the Zig error and then I exactly understand what I mean. It's in the VC chat in Discord. It's SpongeBob.
Harold, you need to show him the thing you did in general. That's also fire.
What did I do in general?
What did
The
you do in
thing with
general?
ChatGPT.
Oh, that. Yeah,
I can't
anyways,
even
like,
find it well.
yeah, but you know, Lucas, I'm so good at Zig. I don't even read the errors. Like, I see them for a split second, and then I'm like, ah, right.
He see them.
Yeah.
He just said he
Yeah,
see.
you see them.
He see.
No, I Zig them.
But this is now the new mission
Right.
kind of then also. We have to get a server. We have to get a we have to figure out ECS. I really want an ECS on this as well.
Well, I don't know.
We need to do an ECS.
But look in general.
That's all your
I
SpongeBob.
heard
Oh.
men only want two things, an ECS and then Vulkan renderer.
Ray tracing, multiplayer, SpacetimeDB. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, I saw that thing that you sent. Yeah.
Yes.
It's gonna be a lot, but I think it will be worth it.
OpenGL backend well.
No.
No, don't use Flex. Use
Um,
Ent or some shit.
And I mean, yeah, we could also just get an existing CS. Why not?
Yeah, and we can make a Zig binding for it and make it work and be happy.
We should definitely read into this more plan. Ooh, looking at these kind of things, like I would like to make just a tower defense also. Just chill, you know.
Bro, you should really look at 10.
10?
10.
Tan. What has Tan?
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
YouTuber.
Yeah, no, I know. But what has
Ta-
he?
Yeah, you know he made like a thing like that. He made an tower defense game with Bevy, which is basically ECS. You know. You see, Lucas, you are basically just 10.
But I don't do Rust. Well, I do Rust now, but I don't do Rust.
It's a rest. You are basically 10.
I don't wanna do Rust though.
No, but still. Lucas, you should just not be a Danny clone, you should be a 10 clone.
For real. I used to have long hair.
Yeah, 10.
Then I went to the army.
I think you are 10. Not 10.
Not that.
That's more like bald.
Yeah.
That's
you know,
bald
I
then.
always cut my hair when I
Go to the
solve
army.
an error.
No.
You cut your hair when you solve an error? Damn,
Yeah.
well, the way
that's
I
like
program,
never
I
then.
should cut my hair every second.
Yeah, that's never. I'm always
Bro,
quitting when I
I'm-
encounter an error.
But I think
Oh, compiled error, next project.
compile the next project. But I mean, should I'm thinking. Man, I should really go to sleep, but this is so the project list, right? I'm just gonna put it like to the side, this thing, because this is, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be a Minecraft clone that's like on the voxel game basically, right? Then we're gonna have multiplayer.
No, don't wait. No. Lucas, don't say Minecraft clone. Say Minecraft inspired.
Minecraft is
Mm-hmm.
true.
Don't wanna get sued, do we?
Yeah, Minecraft, but we're not gonna use their textures. So Minecraft inspired voxel game.
No, you're gonna use the textures.
No, we're not fucking
All of the textures.
multiplayer SpacetimeDB.
We're gonna use all of their shit.
Ray tracing, ray marching. I want to try something different for a pipeline.
Yo, I can say
Yeah.
ray marching is really interesting.
What the hell?
Yeah. Bro.
I don't know.
Lucas, do you also have dyslexia or some shit?
Yes, I have dyslexia.
Oh, me too. But I can spell ray marching.
Well, you have a better. I have a better dyslexia.
Yeah, I do actually. My dyslexia isn't that bad.
What do you mean with render Vulcan?
Renderer.
Yeah, we're gonna render Vulcan. You know the Vulcan logo.
Renderer. Vulcan.
Render Vulcan. Yes.
And then game logic. That would be space time.
No, Lucas, that's not how you spell game. No. You have to put a Y in before the M.
Why?
Zig, yes. Yeah, a Y before the M in game.
Bruh.
Wait, I have one question. That's all gonna be different projects, right?
No,
No, it's the same one.
These are all the same project.
Oh, everything. Oh, that's the plan for the next project.
Yeah.
So we are
I'm-
cooked.
But why is Renderer coming after Voxel game? Like,
Don't ask.
No, I'm just writing down like from the core principle ideas. Like,
oh, they aren't even in order. Oh,
yeah,
okay, I
yeah,
see.
no, it's just
No,
like.
we're gonna do a voxel game, then multiplayer, then rendering. Yeah, of course.
I was like, I thought like multiplayer, and then we're gonna do the game logic in SpacetimeDB. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the actual order. You know, we're just gonna like put the voxel data in first, and nothing else, and then we're gonna add the multiplayer, and we want to debug it, and then we'll do the rendering.
Yeah. Now we first
yeah.
do all the game logic, and then we like do all the drawings. So we aren't even using Vulkan till it's like AAA game, you know, with animations and stuff.
Exactly. Oh, after everything is implemented, then we add the Vulkan stuff. Yeah.
And but the thing what I want to figure out is just like, what are all the like core technologies that are going to be used, concepts.
Zig,
React?
Rust, SpacetimeDB, Vulkan.
We have to make an
UI, nuclear UI.
No, we're just gonna
TypeScript?
make our own.
TypeScript.
Shut your.
WebAssembly.
Python.
We're just gonna use.
Assembly.
We're just gonna make our own UI using Vulkan. I think that will be more fun.
You already
Oh.
did that once, and that ended up really well.
I haven't. Well, I did use for the
Yeah, I did.
Minecraft clone, but I want to do
Yes.
it. Like, actually, I don't know, nuclear. I don't think it makes any sense to do it with that. I don't know. I don't get it.
You know,
you
let's see.
also
Let's
need a new
just.
thumbnail, Lucas.
What?
Yeah,
What did you say?
You need a new
New thumbnail.
thumbnail.
it's a
Yeah.
box. Yeah, thumbnail.
Yeah, we need to make a new. But that's for the YouTube streaming.
By the way, when is the VR video coming out?
Towards Christmas.
Oh,
Yeah, I have so much to focus on with the school physics and stuff, maths. I'm not sure I will be getting it out. YouTube stream, thumbnail.
we need
But
to nail the
This
thumbnail.
would be a project to make an actual playable game thingy, right? That's the goal of
The
this.
real point C.
Yeah, step 6. Step 6 is fire.
Please, Wallace, die. No.
No, okay. Damn.
Micro.
Yeah, to anyone watching, good luck building Wallenstein VR.
It's like a puzzle, you know. You need to have every. You need to have a specific hardware, and then it's.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
you
it only
need
works.
everything to be specific.
Yeah, it only works in the Zig compiler at this specific commit. Yeah.
It's pretty good, I would
Yeah,
say.
and you need Monado, but you need this specific version of Monado also.
And you
Yeah.
need to set up the
And
files.
then it's preferred, yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah, good luck setting up modern Monado also. You have to build it from source.
But I think this would be a pretty fun project to go about, wouldn't it? Don't you? Why SpacetimeDB Oxel? What? What?
Oxel game, hell no.
What happened here? Okay. Game logic,
still
SpacetimeDB
like
Rust, ECS, SpacetimeDebian.
No, it's based on the no.
I use Arch, by the way.
I use Arch, by the way. Grok, aka Grok, bruh.
Yes, same
the only
logo.
thing that I dislike about this is writing the game logic with Rust, because you have to do it if you're gonna do it with spacetime. But this will allow for multiplayer, and that's like the cherry on the top.
No. What you gotta do is you make the server in Rust and you make the server load like a dynamic library that is the SIG, and that's the game logic. Yes?
Oh yeah.
I was
Kind
Kind
thinking
of like
if,
we did for this thing now.
I was thinking if that would be possible, but I don't know how to load in. I don't know if that's just too much pain to go through to get something done. Because let's say I wanted to move all players, what would I do? I would have to still do this, and then in here I would load in some SIG library, you know, thing, and it's just...
But we can't
Yes.
write the shit in Rust.
Lucas, if you don't have an idea how to do it now, that's the perfect opportunity to learn. You see?
Or just ask Sorbit.
Sorbet probably
Yeah,
knows.
or ask Endbit or Orbit or Notbit.
Exactly.
I
All
think
the
those
bits.
are like his brothers.
But how...
And Norbit.
The thing is, I don't know how it compiles like and runs like and it includes like... I guess I don't have to be concerned. The compile
well-
command by itself would probably just run this, and then we could write
But you
everything
need to
in.
compile it in a shared library only. Like that's the only thing. Like the rest you can have it from
Yeah, but the
Zig.
thing is, I don't compile
You
it.
can-
I run a command that compiles it.
Isn't that the thing you do for
What?
compiling? I was like,
No,
What?
wait. Let me like this is like if I go to the project, right? Project.
yeah, actually I compile my codes by hand, so I go like through every line and
I
like,
read line by line and write
yeah.
ones and zeros.
yeah.
Oh yes, of course.
the way it's supposed to be done. But yeah, like if I go here, so
I
let's
mean, you
do
compile
a...
it with SpacetimeDB or something.
Yeah, so if I do
Yeah, compiled it with.
I do this, then I start this thing, and then if I do spacetime, the
Bro has
spacetime
4 terminals to launch this shitty app.
publish, and then I do -- server local quick start.
Because
chat,
why are you not using a bash script for
because
this?
I know the command.
Okay, wow, was a good excuse.
Delete data.
Yeah, you just have to write 20 commands.
Oh right, I forgot I need to be in the right path.
If
Okay.
anyone can run this project that Lucas just cooked up like this thing, you should win an award or something, because
Yeah,
this is infinitely impossible to use.
This is basically what I would have to do to like I run spacetime publish -- server local quick start chat and delete data. Delete is just to clear the previous data on the server, right? But that basically compiles the new version of whatever I have written in here. And that's the thing, like if I want to, I don't know, like We probably can just include
Wait, but
something.
why does it compile it? Like, where do you mention the file or something? Like, how is it happening?
Well, I don't know, man. That's SpacetimeDB magic stuff. I don't know. This is, well, I guess here, let's see. Whoa. Server cargo is, no. I don't know, man.
But you know, Rust has like a build script.
It has? Where?
Nah, it uses. It's like C, you need to compile everything.
I'm pretty sure Rust has like a thing for it.
Yeah, it has.
I mean, somewhere along here it should be something that tells it, but I don't know, does it automatically just... Also, if I just made, let's say, an include here, would it understand? No, I don't know how Rust works, bro. I have no idea.
It will. It's
So-
way too smart for its own good.
I actually know how to print something in Rust.
Oh,
Me too.
I also do that sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, somehow you managed to cook this shit up.
Oh,
I
this was...
will ask AI if you can use Rust and SpacetimeDB to compile it into a static library, shared library, to use it in Zig, then to write the game logic for the game.
You should be able to do that.
I'm just gonna give it the whole thing. Can I write Zig code and
Well, Lucas, didn't you want to make your own database someday? So you know,
Yeah.
let's just make our own database too.
You got enough RAM.
Yeah, Lucas, you got enough RAM.
I'm reading into that actually, to be honest, but I don't think I'm at the same
Yeah.
level as Spacetime yet.
No, you
Can I-
you definitely are though.
Yeah, maybe you are at like slow time.
Yeah, exactly. But we
I
can
could-
use we can
Oh.
use Tiger Beetle.
Yes.
It's
no.
Zig.
But the thing is,
But
what
do
they
you
have
need
done
to
is
be
they
on the
keep
same level as space-time though?
they write things so
Because
it's
you
always
ain't
accessible
handling-
in memory easily. I don't know, like Tiger Beetle is different. They are supposed to be for like financial, and that you don't need everything in memory. But these ones have completely like different paradigm, like structure, architecture, and that's why it's so good. I guess I could try to mimic it and try to be
Yeah,
like
mimic it.
go for something like that, but I'm not sure how they maybe. But I think that's just extra work for what... Well, I'm already trying to do something that I could just do in Unreal or something like that, but that's not the... Maybe I should do this as well. Anyways, can I write Zig code and compile... compile it now, compile
What
to...
is that supposed to mean?
Lucas,
And
did
compile.
you just say Unreal? You're on Arch. Get out.
You can use Unreal on Arch.
Yeah, good luck.
I think it's more as being unrealistic.
Hey.
Yeah, I think so too.
Let's
Thinking it's,
Unity him
Sure.
and bring
You
him
know,
to the door.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, Lucas, I learned when programming you just need to be skilled and you can do anything.
Well, the problem is that neither of us, any one of us is skilled, so we have a big problem.
I'm skilled, but I'm lazy.
Reducer are just Rust functions running in the spacetime runtime. They call safe Rust function, including FFI bindings to a dynamic library. So if you want Zig handle math, HE vectors, update movement, physics, you can write the logic in Zig, export functions, extern C API, compile Zig shared library, declare the FFI bindings in Rust with extern C, call those functions inside your reducers. In Zig, move entity.
You know, Lucas, you should make like a super tiny project just to check this thing out, so you can try to compile some Rust and use it in Zig. Just like super small. You can use the print line in Rust and you call it through Zig. You know, and then you can see how easy it is.
Compile it.
And you can try to do it with bullshit types.
Let's
It
see.
actually looks so normal right now.
In Rust spacetime reducer, C interp extern C move all players, and then you would just, let's see, unsafe let
Oh yeah.
and
Oh, but then we're back to unsafe Rust, right? But I guess you don't need to write unsafe Rust because you're not making the logic, basically, or
But,
like a
I
huge
mean,
portion of the.
I don't know if because you can only do this based on like you would have to take in all of the things and just make function. I think this is going too much back and forth rather than just writing the code actually in Rust. I think it's not worth the hassle to even do it like this.
Not cool.
Well, yeah, but it's like unnecessary to be
no.
concerned about how do I call it from Rust, how do I receive it in Zig, how do I return it from Zig, how do I take it back in Rust, you know, instead of just
Yeah,
Rust.
I know what you mean.
The platform then again can still
no.
do the rendering and whatnot using Zig and Vulkan. That's already sexy as fuck, you know.
But you know, another thing you need to consider is that you are way better in Zig than in Rust. So if you figure out the function passing like from Zig to Rust one time, you can do it pretty fast and develop like at a good speed in
yeah,
Zig.
yeah, like
But
no,
if you
I get it, but this I gotta show you what the thing is the most painful. Even here in TypeScript,
yeah,
look how horrifying. Like this is the thing I had to do in order to make it somewhat okay to use. This entity function, you see? And then you pass in the state, pass in the entity, you pass in the action, alright? And then I have it here in game. I have entity function, and based on the entity action, you spawn player, spawn food, you update an entity, or you
Oh
remove
god,
it.
this is a mess.
But this is the best way to do it, because the other option is to, every time that I want to add a function that I could call from here, I would have to do this, I have to create it and define it, and then in here I also have to go, wait, it's down, I think I went past it, yeah, here, I also have to do it here, and that's just so much pain and unnecessary work. I was like, it's just better to do this, because it's just way more pleasant. And that's the thing that I'm wondering if I have to do some, like every time I add a function, oh, don't forget to update this, also the Rust, also consider it. Like I don't want to do that.
You just get a pointer to the thing and then you like bullshit your way through like the alignment and all of that and just index the raw bytes.
Actually, for real.
yeah.
But I don't want to be always concerned about, oh, Rust, don't forget about Rust, don't forget about it. You know, that's.
But isn't Spacetime just like a bunch of HTTP requests?
Yes, basically. Well, no,
Yeah,
wait.
that can do it.
Is it though? Like for the web, yes. But I don't know if it is also for if you did an actual client.
It should be because everything is HTTP.
It's TCP.
Yeah,
Right.
everything basically.
I think we're getting too much into network programming here.
No, but it's important.
Yeah, it is.
It's not limited to HTTP higher, so the core table runs several clients connected to the spacetime. But what is the? There is an HTTP REST API for managing, like starting, stopping database, listing tables or debugs. But game data communication between your reducer code and the client is via binary protocol, not plain HTTP. Ah, if you trust the
I like how they
binary protocol.
Unity.
In practice, move all player runs inside runtime. They're not called over HTTP. Your client connects via spacetime protocol WebSocket binary serialization. You don't have to think about HTTP unless you're scripting it. I mean, I would just say I never heard about binary protocol. Like, it's just sending some encryption.
Yeah, it's just sending like basically it's like 00011, and then it means something special, like basically how all things work, like USB communication.
But isn't that
or
just
UART?
But that's also HTTP. It's basic ones and zeros that just converts to an HTTP protocol, and then you can use it.
I guess, but
So it has to send some.
you need to know the protocol for it.
Yeah, but it has to send like something like dollar. I'm just making something up. $10 table, for
Yeah,
example,
I
and then
think,
it
yeah.
just has like name or size of columns or something like that, and size of entries, you know, and then it just goes or something like that.
Yeah, but that's always the case, like with underlying data. But it would be like so much work to like implement this protocol, and there probably aren't even like good like documentation on the protocol itself. So
Yeah, but I think still like just writing, have to learn more on Rust and just write that, and then we just keep Zig on the platform render. No, platform
Well, I mean,
also
you do what you want to do.
platform also has to be Rust. Forgot about it.
What the fuck? Bruh.
The only thing that can be.
Okay, so now we're using it.
The only thing that can be
Wait,
Zig.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. You are becoming Tantan, aren't you?
No, 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 no. We'll have to use Rust for the server, sadly, unless if they do a C binding. Then we can't think differently, or if they do a C
Yeah.
binding.
Can you send a mail to them? Be like, hey, yo, I want my C binding.
Yeah, I should.
Cook.
I will. I will send them an email. Cook. Where's my C
Good.
binding?
Yes, cook it.
But yeah, then the drawing will be written in Zig. I think also just like anything like this will still like this that we have here is Zig. It's gonna be the draw. It's also gonna be the like basically the game library to just add entities or whatnot can still be like this. The only thing that Rust has to do is be the server, and it has to be the connection between the server and the client and the platform. But then the game is still written and the render is written in, or like the client's render is written in Zig, and that all is maintained using Zig. Yeah. It will be a slightly different approach, but I think this will be more fun. But we will have to change the thumbnail and I think it's a lot of cool tools that we have learned. It's gonna be a bit weird now moving forward because I'm like, how do we even utilize the other cool tools of replaying, and that's what we learned. And we can still utilize hot reloading for local.
yeah, and SpacetimeDB.
Yeah. Hot reloading only will work. Oh, it will work for both actually, the game and for the renderer. I think. Can we make the renderer hot reloaded as well? Yo.
I don't know. You need to cook it into the oven.
Will be super unperformant
How so?
because you have to like redo a bunch of shit.
Yeah, but that's only like when you
You
want
could.
to. It would make sense still, like you could have the game running and then you would just say, oh, now this frame, the render got updated. It's okay that it freezes for a moment. You will just say that, or you will not have to save, just freeze, and then boom, you're back at it and you have a completely different rendering and you don't have to start and play, you know, the game all the time. I think that would be freaking amazing, you know?
Sure.
I don't know how Rust as a platform would like that, but we'll find out, won't we? I think that will be the next project. We will start tomorrow.
What the hell? What? Okay. What?
Okay, so
See ya
tomorrow
then.
we're going to America. Yeah, tomorrow we have an airplane. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, where is this going?
Wait,
No.
I thought we're doing like
No.
we're meeting up and then like doing it all in one go without sleeping.
Wait.
In New York or?
No, in Old York.
Wait,
in
you
Old
guys
York.
like to start now, or what do you mean?
Oh yeah, let's start now. Wait. So I make the GitHub repository, okay? Yeah.
Nah, you ain't getting the credit for this shit. I think gamers should get it.
But the
Nah,
thing
nah,
is,
nah, let
I
it.
still should practice making a ECS. I haven't done an ECS yet.
4 reasons.
Should we just make a short detour just exploring ECS and then utilizing that later, like a simple 2D game using Raylib and just learn ECS?
There is no such thing as simple. No, I don't use Raylib. Use my stuff. My beautiful GLFW plus OpenGL thing. It's
Oh,
way better
That would
than.
actually be fire.
the-
And
That is
then
like, not gonna lie, I'm not even like bullshitting anymore. It is actually better to use OpenGL and like GLFW than Raylib because Raylib is just so bad.
but
yeah, and also because OpenGL will better simulate the use case of an ECS in the use of Vulkan, because you still have like vertex buffers and stuff. So
bro, I don't wanna use. I have had such a long
That's-
streak not using OpenGL. I don't wanna use OpenGL.
Okay, well, how about this, Lucas? I'll cook some little library that basically is like Raylib, but it's Zig, OpenGL, and GLFW, so it's better.
but
But
then
it's
we
still
can't
like,
start tomorrow.
yes, we can.
Okay,
I am all
get
night.
to work, Harold.
Get to work. I mean, it wouldn't take too much time.
Tomorrow 10 a.m. It's finished.
10 a.m. Bro, that's way too much time.
Okay, you have time till tomorrow. 2 hours left.
2 hours. That should be good enough. Now you're speaking my language.
That's pretty crazy, bro.
Yes. Now, like, I genuinely could cook up something that basically is like Raylib, but better. And it would be more performant and way nicer to use because it would be native SIG. Trust me, bro. It wouldn't be hard at all. Like, I literally could cook it up in 20 minutes.
No, all I wanna do is just an ECS library that we can use for this.
Yeah, I mean, make that then.
Yeah. And then, okay, I guess.
Bro, if you made an ECS, that would be banger. I would use that every day. Probably, don't quote me.
Should we? Well, the thing is, I'm a bit uncertain. Like, I don't want to spend too much time on it, but it should be good enough to just get shit in there, right? I have to actually read in on ECS.
Right.
Then I need good resources on this. I don't know. Is it just better to start
Wouldn't you make,
implementing
like-
and then just look at like?
Yeah. You start implementing, but I gotta
Yeah.
show you something before you start implementing that is gonna be very helpful for you.
Yeah. Well, I guess I could just literally follow this one, I think, right? This one shouldn't be... There's more reading on it as well.
Oh, the big picture? Is it a 4K texture?
Is that a 4K texture, bro?
Guys, I have one question for the architecture of my of Blavi.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if I want, like, how I want to bind the UBOs. Like, should they be binded to a pipeline so that you can basically say, okay, I want a UI pipeline, because you don't want like transformation of a camera and projection to change the UI. So they need a different UBO.
Sorry, I wasn't listening at all.
I'm not
Can you
sure.
ask the question again?
Like for Blavi, for UBO architecture, like uniform buffers,
Yeah.
Yeah, those should be
Um,
fair pipeline.
per pipeline, but with
Yes, you need them per pipeline.
it was you did per pipeline.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though it makes sense, kind of, not really, because think about it. Why, wait, are you talking about the uniform buffer, right?
Yeah.
So, where you have your view perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah, because think about it, it has to be per, wait, you use.
It's only view perspective, not model.
Yeah, no. Wait, I'm thinking. Why not? Yeah, but wait, don't you need a? No, wait. Wait. Do you need it? Wait. Why? No, wait. Because you need a uniform buffer per frame that's going to be rendered, right?
Yeah, one or more. Yeah. Like
Yeah.
one, yeah.
At least one.
Yeah.
Though.
Yeah, at least one.
So don't you have a pipeline then? Wait, do we have? I don't remember. Is there a pipeline per frame? Yeah.
No.
Isn't there?
No.
Don't you have
No.
to create?
You create one
No.
pipeline and then you bind it every frame.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Hmm.
but then couldn't you just use the same uniform buffer for all of the pipelines?
Yeah, I could, but the thing is, maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want different uniform buffers.
But if
You can do it like OpenGL does it with color attachments. Like you either select, if you know, like OpenGL's enable. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you can like enable sRGB or shit like that. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, basically that stuff is for a color attachment, but that's for all of them. But you can also do color attachment I, which is for the specific color attachment. So you can do kind of like that you can either bind the UBO to just one pipeline or all of them.
Hmm. I see.
I'm thinking still like, is it a bad idea to start off with the ECS? Wouldn't it be more fun to make the ECS once you need it?
No, but like it's still ECSs are debatable.
How so? I think it would be the best thing to just think about, like, because everything is stored in tables on the database, you know? And ECS would
I
use,
guess for database, yeah.
because we're gonna be connecting with space-time, so it still just would be just so convenient to have an ECS that represents every single update of the database.
I mean, I guess we can do ECS when we have like a renderer or something like that.
Because
Yeah, see you in 2 months.
well, this is gonna be. I think this will be a
Yeah.
long project, but it will be a fun long project. There will be a lot of technologies that we will have to develop. It will be just super fun, exciting.
OpenGL?
No,
OpenGL?
no.
OpenGL? What?
Lucas, do you want to use dynamic rendering in Vulkan?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Dynamic
gonna lie,
rendering is
bro.
like DSA, bro.
What did
Yeah,
you say?
but not gonna lie, the thing is, it's also makes some stuff kind of hard
Also,
because you need to convert the format of images, like swap chain images, manually. But you don't need the render pass.
well, that I did have to do either way.
No. If you have a render pass, no, you don't. You don't.
Well, that's no.
Okay, I guess it's yeah. Okay, I guess it's kind of the same. Okay, I guess.
What do you mean by converting manually?
Like, for example, that it's in some layout that you need it to be. Like, but I still would go for dynamic rendering just because I think it's standard.
I think it's also
Yeah.
way superior.
Did you even use it once?
I don't think I have. I have just read it, and I was like, damn, why have I not been using this?
Not like I ain't seeing so many improvements over it right now, but I also haven't really been looking into it. So yeah.
I mean, I'm thinking like, should we even consider using AmGUI Because I don't think we need it if we can have hot reloading.
No, you don't need it done. But like mm, like we could make our own UI thing probably
We are not
because
gonna
UI
use.
libraries are just so shit.
We're not gonna. If I'm not gonna use Amgui as a actual UI library, that I would never do. Just for debugging, I will use it.
Yeah, no, but something like nuclear you could use as debugging and also UI because it's like good. It's like better than ImGUI, but it's still like shit and hard to use.
Mhm. No, I
So
Like-
yeah, no, I get what you mean.
I think making our own. I need to figure out like how do I, like actually when we add something, how do we make it a library? Like ECS, it needs to be a library. The UI,
That's easy.
you should make a UI library. Sorry. Whoa.
Also easy. I mean, the actual code isn't easy, but making it a library is easy.
Yeah. And is there
I
something
can
else?
probably walk through it.
Okay, that would be nice. Is there something else that we should consider making a library? I don't think if like renderer. Should we make the renderer a library?
It's just if you're gonna
Or
make it a
possibly.
library, you gotta think about API design and shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right. Okay, I guess. Like like in general, you shouldn't make the libraries too generic. Like they should still be pretty specific.
Yeah, no, like we are.
Otherwise, it will take ages.
I'm thinking we were making them quite strict, and if for some reason out of nowhere there's demand to make them more generic, then we'll make them more generic. But out of that, it's just like it's gonna be
Yeah.
quite strict.
Don't think you should move with demand either. You should just,
Yeah, but we need to. Oh, there's some. I don't know even where to begin. But I think we will sleep on it.
GitHub
and-
repo,
What?
GitHub repository.
Okay, should we? We can start. We can create one GitHub repo today. That we will start from there.
Oh
What
yeah,
should-
we need a name.
Blavy Minecraft. It's gonna be.
let
Mein
Harold
Kampf. What?
Mein Kampf, what?
no, bro. No.
What shall we call it?
Oh, but it can be in Swedish. Mein Kampf. Yeah.
We can have. It's gonna be SpacetimeDB.
Finland Simulator.
Voxel time.
Yo, that's a great name.
Voxel
What
time.
the fuck? No, this ain't Stardew Valley, bro. Get out.
Spacecraft. Spacecraft. Yo.
Mega Sigma Minecraft Tron.
Sigma with Zig.
Oh yes, Sigma.
Yo,
Yeah, that's a good name.
But what about spacecraft? Because it's literally gonna be kind of like planets and space, and you're gonna be mining and crafting. Space Minecraft.
Spacecraft. It should be called mining and crafting, yeah, in spacing.
In
Space.
zigging, in vulcaning.
Yes, in vulcaning. Oh, vulcaning, that's a great name.
Volcaning.
Or sulcaning.
Now, bro, for names I always ask AI, so wait.
Uh-huh.
Should I just put this
Or
in?
we just take. What? Yeah. Or we just take a bunch of random letters that we like and think sound cool together. That's usually how I do names. You know.
Let's see. Maybe GPT has also some cool ideas. Where's GPT?
Wait, what is space in Latin?
That was, I think,
Great.
She
Nah, it
opened
should
just
my
be called
TL
void.
till I Vulcan. What?
name suggestions. Way with Staybox.
Time voxels, chronovox. That's not bad. Singularity. Event horizon.
Gay.
Space-time rift.
Hello.
Continuum. Vox ray. Marching light. Sigvox. Polyphase. Gridlock. Voxnet. Grokverse. Grokverse. Because you put the
Gridlock?
fucking
Whoa,
Grok in
whoa,
there.
Gridlock, no. Also, Gridlock. Wait, no, what's the one that Valve is making? Is it not like that?
It's what
No,
the-
it's something.
Deadlock.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
that's a geometry dash level.
What I don't know. We should call it counter stroke.
Voxverse. I think that's a pretty cool.
That sounds like some crypto scam.
No, bro.
Yeah, get your Voxverse NFTs.
Buy my
Only
Space Coin.
$9.99.
You know,
Space Coin is the currency.
I know what we're gonna call it.
Yeah.
My world.
No. That's hella crypto scam.
Wait, I have a good
What
name.
the-
Call it
Okay.
Zig is the goat.
Wow, that's a
Yeah,
great
see?
name.
Yo, no, I want to say C, bro, I swear. No.
Yeah, it's Freudian slip. That's right. Freudian slip. We should just call it V-Sync. Yeah, because no one likes
V-Sync.
V-Sync. Yeah. But V-Sync, isn't that just a fabulous name?
No, it's
V-Sync,
horrible.
but with a W.
Voxnet.
Oh, V-Sync with a
How about
W.
Voxnet?
Voxnet? That sounds like some
I think the
weird, like,
statement should
.NET.
be that the name should be, I don't know. different.
Cool. Masculine. Sigma. Alpha male grind sets podcaster Joe Rogan.
Sigma.
Joe Rogan.
Yeah, that's a great name.
Actually, that's so fire, bro. Why
Yeah,
not?
it's a great name. Yes, but we need a description. It should be like Sigma, a revolutionary, not NFT scam game about mining
Yeah.
and crafting in space.
Take notes, Lucas.
You people are crazy, I'm telling you.
We've raced cars with zombies inside of them.
No. We're gonna call it.
Yes. Sleep with a Z.
Let's just call it Sigma.
Yeah, Sigma's
That's
really
good.
fire.
Let's just go.
Yeah,
with
it's a great
Sigma.
name. Game stream overlay that. Yes, that should be the description. Game stream overlay.
Voxel game
Time DB.
in camel case, I see.
Yes. Also, can you make the Z for Sigma lowercase, please?
No, I think uppercase actually go. Or
No,
it's
no,
wait.
because it will mess up the build.sig.son. And I hate it. Please? Yeah, yes?
But
Yes!
that doesn't look Sigma
Yes.
at all. That looks pretty Ligma.
Okay, that does look kind of Ligma. Okay, never mind, put it uppercase again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
that-
we don't care if a build fails, bro. Like,
Yeah, it doesn't fail, it's just not very Sig. But who cares? It's like more Sigma like this.
What about my Sigma?
Like literally more Sigma. Oh, hell no. Oh, bruh. My Sigma, bruh. Mine Sigma. Oh, hell no. You should, at this point, you can just call it the Mine Sigma Camp or something.
Well, Lucas, you can
Sigma V.
do Sig in
Wait, Sigma V, that's a
M
good.
for less bloated Sig in it. You can do Sig init -M for less bloated Sig in it. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know, but that we don't like that because it messes up the order and it's weird and doesn't have the dependency, so then you have to spell it weirdly, and who cares? Sig ECS,
what? ECS,
TypeScript, Python.
Yeah.
Electron, Chromium, Firefox,
Kill me.
All of
Linux,
those.
Windows, Mac OS,
Linux,
Raspberry Pi,
NetBSD, FreeBSD,
yeah, TV,
kernel, Unix, open source,
PlayStation, cross
Nintendo Switch, NES,
phone.
yes,
Is there something else we need to
Um,
consider here?
GTA 5,
License.
Space Sigma. That just sounds so cringe. Planet. What the? Planetary Sigma. Oh, I don't know what is bro cooking up. Planetary Sigma.
License.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, call it Planetary Sigma. Planetary Sigma is such a good name. Like what the hell? Oh, that's such a great name, Planetary Sigma.
All right. What do we do? Public? Do we? Or is this is so high tech that we cannot
Oh,
have it?
don't. What? It's yeah. Oh, who
Bro,
cares?
we have an
Don't
open
start with no
source
templates.
community.
Yes, sure. Also, no, don't add license or no. Don't add readme because it will be
Oh, yeah,
funky
no.
when we want to push.
Yeah, yes. I
So
never added the
don't.
license. Okay, create.
Yeah, I don't even create like GitHub repos with GitHub. I just make it with the GH terminal thing.
Ah,
So I don't know what you guys are.
wait.
Don't add anything.
Okay.
Yeah,
No.
you can add later.
Okay.
Yeah, add it later.
Yo.
Yo.
Nice. And don't forget to do git clone this thing, okay? So you have it
In which of
with
the
your
four
four
terminals?
terminals. Yeah.
which one of them, bro?
Yes. Which one should I choose today?
What is terrain Sigger? When did I get
Yeah,
that?
that's a good question.
What?
Zigga.
Sigger.
Oh, I wanted to go
Sounds like
sleep
something else.
20 minutes ago. Probably fall asleep.
No. We no sleep around here.
What?
Actually, I did a sleep, so my main thread is sleeping now, bro. I'm only operating on thread, bro.
Your main Fred
Yeah.
Meister.
Yo, what?
What?
Lux, what are you typing? Ouch.
No, it's touch.
Oh, touch. Oh, it's ouch.
But why don't I just add an readme now and just commit it?
Yeah, you add a readme
can.
with the echo. The echo is adding a readme. You
Yeah.
echo the thing and pipe it into readme.
Yeah, and then I do all of... Like, I don't have enough shit here.
You can just copy all of them and then paste it in your file.
Can you
don't
can
need
you
to
do
it
that?
manually. Yeah. Copy, paste.
Ah,
Yeah, when
Yeah.
when there's like a new line, it will just assume it's a new command.
that's crazy. There it is.
Planetary Sigma.
Planetary Sigma. It's
Yeah.
happening, boys. 2025. 2026.
Yes. You know,
Yo.
it's crazy that we're getting Planetary Sigma before GTA 6.
Oh, I wanted to say the same. Oh, it's fine.
Vintage and Ford are basically the same person.
I thought you know.
Guys, hack his
Yo.
phone! Hack his phone! Hack into the mainframe! Get him! You gotta get him now.
Okay, here now. Add people.
Lucas, when was the last time you checked your phone?
Now.
Damn, bro, like you need to get off your phone more. Lucas, you can't be on your phone so much.
Get on my phone more.
What? No. Oh, it's so beautiful that I'm a contributor. Don't forget to add the like code owners.
Oh yeah. I could. We'll do it now.
Otherwise, I'm gonna push a bunch of viruses right now.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Where is the code owners for this thing? There. So I could literally just go in here and just and then let's see. Copy Zig Game code owners to planetary. So
By the way, for the whenever we can inspire ourselves in Blavi if we yeah. Because the basic thing is set up, yeah.
for the what? Sorry, what?
For the whenever we can inspire like a little bit on Blavi.
Oh yeah.
By the way, I like that you finished the Zig game with the most used language in the repository being TypeScript.
It was a mistake. It
And
was
it's
a
called
mistake.
Zig Game.
But the thing, I think, like the point of the Zig game was to just learn a different ways of doing stuff, approaches, and I think the ultimate thing that I learned was SpacetimeDB and how freaking cool it is, and that we can actually utilize that. And also the hot reloading has been like super nice. So I'm not too, a little bit sad it didn't go the way I had. I had actually thought we would make a game about it, but now I was like, this WASM and web dev is too much pain of an ass. I'm not gonna continue on this path anymore. It's done. It's not worth it. But this sounds like something cool. Do I need to save it? Ah, great. Like so. So now we should have everything fine.
Bro, your repositories are so crazy. Like you got so many good repositories back to back to back, bro.
Yeah, and some private ones. This is the database thing that I'm supposed to do it during weekends, but this weekend I actually have more. I'm having 2-part exams coming up in physics and maths, so I'm just not gonna focus on that. I'm just gonna focus more on the studying for physics and math. And then I spent 2 hours on this. You already did a PR? What the fuck?
Yeah, we got ray tracing.
Yo, ray tracing! Let's go! What did you? You already added a main, a git ignore. Yo, what the fuck? Build.sig. Yo, okay, we're already done. What's the next project, guys?
Yeah, I think I
Bada
don't
boom,
know.
bada bang.
And maybe you can like go to space and see if we can find like another planet we can go to.
Oh my god, imagine the resources we can find on different planets.
Yo, maybe
this-
some diamond armor, guys.
I mean, actually, if we can make this thing work, this is gonna be so freaking cool. Like, you can have full control of the whole system.
Yay,
you
the
know?
first code contributed was by me. Yeah, this is actually my repository now, so get out.
Ah, okay. I will just make you owner.
Anyways, have a fun time sleeping.
Yeah, it's time to sleep.
But
See you guys.
what, guys, what would be like the plan for like what would be the next
fuck.
thing you can't just
My
start
audio
with
is
the
broken.
renderer like this.
Wait,
so...
my bad.
We will,
Wait, what?
we will, I think
Wait,
we will have to.
I'll be back, I gotta reload my Discord.
I think the first thing is we just need to connect also like the space time and
Oh yeah.
we need to make a platform, a space time, and then the game and the renderer. So we just need to make all of these things that they are just connected and expand from there, I think.
I don't know, my audio broke on Discord, and then I was like, wait, my audio is broken, and then I was like, wait, wait, I'm listening to music. How is my audio broken? And, no.
But yeah, my
Anyway,
task for tomorrow will be to make a thumbnail for this new project. All right. But
Yes, you should have a Sigma, you know.
Yes. All right, but that's gonna be it. I could actually make a video about how this project led to us making this project.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Yeah, but let's see. I think it's a good night for now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah.
See ya. Also, wait, one thing.
Mhm.
Now you can edit.